Hi guys, Shebane here. So if you install Firefox the usual way in a Ubuntu based distro, Snap will be installed. Snap is a package manager, another package manager on top of your apt. It does some sandboxing of the application, isolates dependencies, caches files. It uses a lot of space. All right. For proper Linux desktop, that's probably fine, but for a minimal installation, it is an overkill. And if you install Firefox, it will come with Snap, right? So there is a way to install Firefox directly from Mozilla, and that's what we'll see in today's video. All right, so if you directly want to see how to do that, skip right to that timestamp. But if you want to see how to remove Snap first, then keep watching this section. All right, so the first thing we'll do is launch terminal. All right, and I'll do the mistake first. Sudo apt install Firefox. All right, great. And if you notice, Snap is getting installed, right? So let me do the mistake. You should not do that, right? Let me do the mistake. So I'm going to install it and I'm going to come back to it when it is done. All right, so this has been installed. So Firefox is installed. Let's quickly see Firefox. All right. All right. Yeah. So Firefox is running, no problem. Everything is fine. That's okay. But there is a Snap directory in my home directory. That's fantastic. Everyone wants a Snap directory in their home directory, right? Let's go to where. Oh, there's a Snap folder over here. Very cool. All right. Let's go to where cache. Yeah. All right. Oh, there's a snapd over here. That is fantastic, right? Where lib snap. Right, there's a snap file over here as well. Very cool. Oh, lot of files. Let's see how many uh, very cool. 1 GB of data, right? So yeah, Snap, as you see, it's like disorganized. It just spreads across your system. It's yet another package manager. Do you really need it, right? So let's now work towards removing it, right? So first thing we'll do it sudo snap list. Okay, and what we have to do is first remove the snap packages and then remove snap, right? So I'm gonna do sudo snap remove. All right, Firefox, Genome, and GTK. These three has to go first. All right, so these guys got done. Let's do a snap list again. Okay, those are removed. Fantastic. This time let's remove bear and core22. Okay, very cool. And now only snap is left, so that's the last one. Let's remove snapd. Okay, that's removed as well. If I do snap list, okay, nothing is left. Now snap itself needs to be removed, so I'm gonna do apt remove snapd, remove 100 MB from your disk. That is fantastic. Please remove it. Okay, boom, fantastic, right? All right, let's now remove the files. So I'm going to remove this. Then I saw where cache snap. Let's remove this, right? Okay, I have to put a sudo. That's okay. Where lib snapd. Right, let's get rid of this. Then I had where snap, right? Okay, this one is gone on its own. Great. And what we are also going to do is create another file in etc apt, okay, preferences.d. So what we want to do is we want to create a preference for apt that, hey man, avoid snap. There is going to be this etc xdg auto start snap. Yeah, just get rid of this as well. It likes to create files all over your system. Okay, so we have cleaned up snap from our system, right? Now this is the section where we will learn how to install Firefox, which does not come with snap. Okay, all right, let's do it. So what we have to do here is First we have to tell apt the sources, the repositories, all that stuff, right? So what we'll do is sudo etc apt. Note this is the same location. All right, preferences. We just now created a no snap there. So this time I'm going to create a Mozilla theme ppa file. All right, great, fantastic. Now what I'm going to do is, it's not over yet. Now I'm going to create etc apt. Okay, again sudo apt. All right, apt-conf d. Okay, and note there will be this unattended upgrade. So I'm going to create a new file and I'm going to name it 51 unrendered upgrades hyphen Firefox. Okay, so I'm creating a new file and I'm giving it that name. Okay, all right, fantastic. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is sudo. So that was upgrade. That was self-explanatory. So when it auto updates, it has to choose it from the right location. And the final step now, I'm going to add an apt repository. Okay, and this repository is ppa mozilla team / ppa. All right, please continue. Fantastic. I'm just going to do a sudo apt update just to be sure. Okay, now let me do sudo apt install Firefox. Check this out, there is no snap here. Okay, fantastic. Let me install this. It'll take some time, I'll come back to it. Great, fantastic. So now let's see if it is working. I'm gonna go here. Yeah, there's even a menu entry, Firefox, and yes, everything is working just fine. Right, fantastic. Now this time it happened without installing snap. Let's do a small little thing which Firefox. Okay, it has come from there. User bin Firefox. It's a soft link, so let's do a L. Okay, it has come from user lib Firefox. Okay, and let me see how much space this is taking. 258 MB. So remember, Snap took 1 GB and this is inside 258 MB. So yeah, that's about it, folks. We have Firefox on our system without Snap. There is no Snap now. That was the video. That's about it. Thank you.